I was going to make this today, but instead I had this idea for making a hanging bird bath. The idea being that the bulb that you see in the image, we hang that by rope, just like the image before, but then it goes down and becomes a bird bath in the bottom. I'm not sure if it's going to work. It might become too unstable, but today we're going to be making a prototype. This is clay that I've already used for another project, and then I put together, and it's been drying for a day, and now it was just a bit stiff, so that's why I'm going up and down a bit more times than normal, as you'll see with the next batch. This is actually easier than what it looks like, but being my first time that I do this sort of thing, it also, the design, I didn't really focus that much on the design. So as you'll also see, the next one, that's going to be quite a bit different, but I'm also looking forward to making the third and the fourth, and also getting it up in a proper scale. That's going to be really interesting. But right now I'm just trying to get it somewhat small in the bottom, and then going into a bulb, and then I'll start joining in now. Yeah. A funny thing happens after you close up clay, because now you have air trapped inside that bubble, so it behaves completely differently. And as you can see here, I made a mistake. I made the room inside too small, and every time I try to make it small, as you can see, a crack forms. And I've never tried that before, so that was very interesting. But it's really an interesting phenomenon to have trapped air, because oh, that's my dog Fenya. It becomes way more stable actually when the air is in there, because think of it like a balloon. When you press on the sides or on the top, it's not going to collapse in the same way because the air is actually supporting it. So just keep that in mind.
I hope you liked the video of me working with a prototype, trying to trap air and working with new techniques. It was really interesting, and I hope you also try it out at home. Just remember that clay becomes way more stable when the air is trapped, but you need to make sure you don't raise the pressure inside the bubble too high, because then you will see cracks. Yeah, good luck, and thanks for watching. Bye!